Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can become an affiliate with Shopify and earn money through referrals. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm on my dashboard right now, but I'll go over into the Help Center and go through this article a bit. I have no intention of joining the affiliate program, and I'm not even sure I can, but I'm going to be explaining through this. Now, all affiliate activities from Shopify go through a third-party app by Impact, or it's called Impact, and you can just create an account there and apply for the Shopify Help Center. And once you're accepted, then you can become an affiliate. Now, what do you do as an affiliate? As I've mentioned, you will get a referral link, and most likely to get a referral link, you will need to be a content creator or a creator with sort of a following, which will then be able to spread the link around to other people. When somebody is interested in making a site or an online store, you can just refer Shopify, and then whenever you get your link clicked on, and when people actually go over to Shopify, create accounts, and subscribe to Shopify, you will then be given a premium for that, or you'll be getting a commission, and you'll be getting a percentage based on what they do. Or rather, I'm pretty sure even Shopify will give you money even if they don't stay for a long time, if you prove to them, or if they end up being a regular customer, or if they end up actually being a client of Shopify, you'll be given money, and you can then withdraw that money on a bi-weekly basis. And yeah, that is basically all you have to do. Just spread your link around, and then when people click on it, you will be able to get money. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.